These are the bad things that got me into trouble with you. Just setting the charge. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to part 3 of the K-swap / drag car build. So today we're going to be working on the EK again, or EJ9, whichever you prefer. So we're taking the dash out today. We was planning to do coilover installation, but Hermes decided to mess that plan up. But anyway, getting back to it, the dash is coming out, so I'll quickly show you that. So we're just about to strip all the dash out, and we're going to start removing like all the heater core, air conditioning as well. It's got no gas in it, so we're all right with that. And Ben, bless him, has bought me a new banner, so this will be the theme of the build, so I'll let you know more of that. But let's get back to it. Let's get this K-swapped as soon as possible. The plan is to try and get it to 10 of the best or USC. I think 10 of the best is a long shot, but we're going to try. So rather than going in blind, I did print, you know, like a diagram off the internet just to find out where the screws and the bolts want to go. Because the plan is I still want to reuse the dashboard. I just want to try and lighten it up as much as possible and get rid of all the stuff that we're not going to be using. That's the heater matrix and I guess the air conditioning. If I could come around here, you can see most of that around there anyway, or in there. So I'll just start removing all the bolts. So far we've taken the side panels off both sides. So a couple of Phillips, one at the top, 2 on the side, and then they literally prise out. Got like these little clips. So that's that. Just going to take the steering column, this part off here, the guard, the shroud, whatever you want to call it. Ben's over there taking the glove box out. Then there's a a bolt there, bolt the opposite side, and I think there's one in the centre as well. Just need to pull that cap off. So making some progress. I got the cover off here. And Ben, what are you doing there? Just taking the plastic cover off. Yeah, there's another Phillips this side. Just there. We're shinning, hacking everything. It's got to be right, it's got to be light. There's a couple more bolts down here as well, if I didn't show you that before. Screws galore. There you go, just pull them cables, connectors even. Pass me that, lovely. And here's the pesky 12. Done. Didn't even smash my windscreen. Right, so we've got rid of 2 bolts here. Those 12mm there again, on the opposite side. Ben's just got a couple more. And we was trying to see if we could take off the front face, but I think it was more hassle than it was worth. But this now is fairly loose. Might have to take the steering wheel off, and we've got the battery disconnected here just to be safe. Don't want any airbags going off on us. Don't want any broken noses or broken teeth. But yeah, just getting stripped, boys. We did it.
It's out.
Ish. Looks like we're gonna have to get Jeremy Beadle here and sort out all this unclipping. We also had to drop the steering wheel as well. Again, I don't know if we've done it right or whatever. We're just shinning and hacking, just trying to do it, trying to get it done.
But nothing's broken.
Nothing's broken. No clips, certainly no connections. We haven't ripped any bolts out, so far so good. She's out. The dash is 100% out. And this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to be removing. Yeah, look at all the wiring. Nice bit of mess. So don't need this anymore as well. Like I say, we're not going to be running heat in the car. And then there's like the airbag to get rid of, and head unit, and just try and tidy some of this up because we won't be needing it. Try and make it a little bit more simple. But yeah, not so bad. Probably about an hour to get it all out. It's quite hard to film it, you know, pulling stuff out, because again, we're no experts, and once we was obviously trying to pull it out, we found another bolt, then found another one, and a little clip, but it's not particularly that hard. So we've got the fan, air conditioning unit, whatever you want to call it, condenser, and now we're just going to get the heater control box out. Try and split it into two, see if it comes out this way. Brute force and a bit of ignorance as well. There's two pipes in the engine bay as well for the coolant. We've got them off, so it'll be dripping coolant everywhere, and that's pretty much it. But it's going to be a fair bit of weight saving with that. And then, like I say, we're going to hack a load of stuff out the dash as well, so that'll make it a lot lighter. There you go, guys, all ripped out. So there's quite a lot of weight. Even took the matting out as well. We had to beat the living shit out of this one to get it out, but pipes are no longer down there for the coolant. Like I say, taking the airbags out as well, don't need them. So we've got the dashboard upside down, and we're just starting to take things off. So you'll notice, first of all, that the airbag's off. Ben's on about setting that off later on. Definitely. So probably going to record that. Like I say, just starting to take off some of the ducting as well. If I really wanted to, I could cut these down. Probably not going to do that for now. Take that ducting off, and then head unit, try and sort out some of the wiring as well. And we are thinking about trying to get rid of this bar and making our own bracket, but again, probably do that at a later date. But just for now, just taking out what we can to try and make it lighter. And I can't remember if I showed you this before, but she's almost like doing a wheelie kind of thing, just because of the amount of weight we've taken out so far. So that's pretty cool. So we are weight saving at least. So should allow me to have a bigger dad's bod, but I'll be going on a diet as well, because obviously we need to get low times and all that. So yeah, I'll do a bit more and then I'll show you. That is completely stripped. That's all the stuff we've taken out of the dash. What else we got? Oh, edge units down here, and then that was what was behind the dash. So we're going to get the beast out and just pull it down here so we can get the dash back in.
No, keep going back.
With that one. There we go.
Just have a little bit of a new one.
Look at what we're doing here. Does that want to go push back up? Just to get the bolt in over there, look. Just got two bolts, two 12mm here. Not going to be running the glove box either. Get these two in, one up there, one up there, and then there's the two 12s there. And Ben, where's yours? On the opposite, on the outside.
One on the inside.
One on the inside. So we'll get these whacked on, and then get the steering wheel lifted up. She's in, boys. Steering wheel on, fuse box in. Wicked, not even an airbag late. So what we're doing at the moment is just routing the coolant pipe down there. That's what Ben's doing. Let me show you. Here we go, because we've got rid of all the coolant lines that go into the engine bay. We're not running heat on this. Well, not on this motor anyway, and not even on the K20. The idea is to do a burnout with it before we take the engine out. So if anybody wants a running D14 engine,
It's just on a burnout.
that's just done a burnout, so we've tested it for you, let us know, because it will be for sale, and everything that we sell off this will just go back into the build. And as good as that, eh?
Done.
So as always, Mr. Mischief here.
Why are you blaming me?
Because you always get me into trouble. That's why I was never allowed to hang around with you when I was a kid.
I'm sorry. But I always bring the biggest smiles.
That is true. That is true.
Oh, we're ready for bang bang.
Poor little thing. She didn't even see it coming. Here's the fending article. Do we need to push that back in, the airbag?
Yeah, you're just gonna let it bang.
Hang on a minute. There you go. Right. Take the battery off this beast now.
Oh, do we wait till the grandma gets here
No.
and then blow it off at the side of her?
These are the bad things that got me into trouble with you.
I blame
Just
her.
setting the charge. Right, so just a quick thing I wanted to do was just to weigh exactly what we've taken out of the car. So we've already taken 69 kilograms out with the interior out of the car. So we've got 25, you can't see, but got 25 kilograms there. So altogether 94. But we've still got like little bits like that down there. And also, what else did I say I've got? I can't think of what. Oh, all the nuts and bolts as well. So yeah, so we're saving, I'd probably say, I don't know, almost 100 kilograms right now.
So far, yeah.
Got to also cut some of the skin out the back, so that'll be a bit more. There's a couple of brackets as well for the seats. We'll take that out. Take them out, and then we've also got the passenger seat as well. So
All the sound deadening off. Well,
all the sound deadening as well. So yeah, if we could get to like 125, that would be cool, wouldn't it?
nice.
Which I think we could get. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know, because if people are looking to do it, then at least you know what you're going to save. Right, gonna end it here. Ben's struggling to get out the Kirky bucket seat, but yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Next video, gonna put some coilovers on. So hopefully they're gonna arrive at the weekend. I'll explain more about the coilovers when they get here. But that's it for now.
That's it.
Say bye bye, Ben.
Bye bye, Ben.
Take it easy. See you on the next one. Bye.